Hey guys, Danielle here. So you're probably on this video because you want to know how to use a face scrub. So first things first, you need to determine your skin type so you know what type of face scrub to use. Now I love the Beauty by Earth face scrub because this is great for all skin types, and it's very gentle on the skin. It's natural, it's organic, it's got all safe ingredients, no toxins whatsoever. It's made with organic aloe vera, coconut, vegetable derived. It's got pomegranate, calendula, chamomile. It's got green tea leaf extract, orange essential oil, peppermint essential oil. It's packed with super fruits and chlorophyll, which is great just to get in deep to your skin and really get that cleansing that your skin needs. So first thing first is, before you use a face scrub, you're gonna wanna clean your face. Just use some water or a gentle facial cleanser. I really like Beauty by Earth's facial cleanser. Super gentle. It removes a lot of your makeup, which is important for scrubbing. You wanna make sure your pores are clear and ready to be scrubbed, and Beauty by Earth facial cleanser is great for that. Then I like to follow it up with Beauty by Earth's makeup remover. This is great for getting that stingy eye makeup off. Just give it a final touch with this and your face will be super clean. So before using a facial scrub, be sure to read the instructions on the bottle. But the basic gist of it is you're going to take a dab of the facial scrub. You're going to massage your face in a circular motion upwards, and you're going to avoid your eye area because you don't want to get the little scrubs in your eyes, and that can irritate your eyes, and avoid your lips so you don't get it in your mouth. So you're basically going to take the scrub and you're going to go like this. Around your nose, around your cheeks, around the sides of your eyes, around your forehead. You can even go around your neck, like so. And you're going to do that for about a minute. So once you've scrubbed your face with a face scrub, you're simply going to rinse it off with warm water. And when you get out of the shower, or if you're just doing it over a sink, you just pat your face dry with a dry washcloth or a dry towel. It's that simple, and you'll notice your face just feels cleaner. It'll start to look better, and it'll just brighten up and just be easy to maintain if you keep that in regularly, like twice a week or more. And what's great with the Beauty by Earth facial scrub is it's so gentle and it's all natural and non-toxic that I find if I use it more than twice a week, it does not irritate my skin. Everybody has different skin types, so if your skin type is a bit more sensitive, you might just want to use it twice a week. Now, I did just use this face scrub today. I noticed immediately after using it that my face feels much smoother. I also noticed that when I use it regularly, my face tends to break out less. And it just looks healthier and brighter. And I noticed, like, on those problem days where you wake up and you have a couple of pimples or zits, and I use the scrub right away. I follow it up with a mask, and I notice immediately that my face starts to clear up within a day or two. So scrubs are great for, problematic skin, acne prone skin, or even just everyday use if you just want your skin to feel smoother, look healthier and brighter. Scrubs are just great in general. So great facial scrub, and I'll also put the link to this face scrub and the other products I mentioned to clean your face beforehand in the description box below. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, and if you have any more questions about this, go ahead and comment in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. So yeah, thanks for watching.